everybody. I want to share with you a program that I've been working on to help people uh, invest in stocks. And this is a technical analysis program. And a key point of investing in stocks is understanding technical analysis and being able to recognize charts. But I realize that that is not necessarily an easy skill to learn, especially when you need money now. So what I did is I made this program that searches the S&P 500 index and it identifies patterns and it tells you what they are and where they are. And it's still in primitive form, but I want to share it with you. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run it right now. And when it's done, we'll go over it a little bit. So if you're watching the screen, what I want you to pay attention to is, let's see, okay, head and shoulders pattern detected. Okay, so what we'll do is after this runs, we'll go through it a little bit. And I know it might be boring to just sit there and look at it, but maybe you'll find it interesting watching some code that I wrote. And as when it quits running, I'll explain it a little bit and tell you what's going on. So, and this is accurate too. So, but we'll get to that. We'll just let it run. It's going to go through quite a few stocks. And what I might actually do right now is just pause the video and let the program. Okay, it's already done. I don't need to do that. Okay, so right now, keep in mind today is Saturday. So it's completed the weekend analysis and it's sleeping for 3 hours before next check. So what it's going to do in 3 hours, it's going to run through the whole program again. Now, right here, we got IBM. And IBM right now is displaying two patterns, a head and shoulders and a double top. Nike is displaying a head and shoulders. Cisco is displaying a double top. AMD is displaying a double bottom. ABT is displaying a head and shoulders with a double top. WMT is displaying a head and shoulders. Okay, now you can see right here Google has a double top. Now, I'm not going to go in right now to what these particular chart patterns mean. Maybe in the future I will. It found 19 patterns across 17 stocks, so that's really good. Okay, so here they are. We got Apple is displaying a head and shoulders. We got Google is displaying a double top. JPM, which I imagine is JP Morgan, is displaying a head and shoulders. V, head and shoulders. Procter and Gamble, or I don't know, that might not be Procter and Gamble. So let's just say PG, double top. MA, double top. LLY, double top. KO, head and shoulders. PEP, double top. COS, double top. WMT, head and shoulder. Okay, so what you need to do now that I told you where all these patterns are occurring is maybe you could understand, what they are. I developed this little program right here in two languages. One is called SQL and the other is called Python. And over the weekend, I'm going to be putting a graphical user interface on this so that way anybody, even if you have no computer experience at all, you'll be able to use this. And it's quite intrinsic, the program. But yeah, so this is the only thing I can do to try to help ordinary common folk. So I'm going to be posting this video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to post it here on Facebook. I helped you, so maybe you can help me. Share the video, share my channel, subscribe, because I'm consistently doing things. What I want to do is I want to see people get ahead and it's not always easy. Trust me, I've been as poor can be. I I know what it's like to struggle. I know what it's like to suffer, and this is the best that I can think of to give back. I don't want to see you suffer. I don't want to see you struggle. So, I don't know. Here it is. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.